Are you serious? Are you serious? So Greece has reopened their banks today, and immediately they repaid their loans that they were behind to the IMF, the International Monetary Fund. Matter of fact, the International Monetary Fund has just issued a brief statement confirming that Greece has repaid its arrears to the funds that have been expected after Greece got a bridge loan to cover its most pressing debts. Now, Jerry Rice, the IMF's Director of Communications, said this: "I can confirm that Greece today has repaid the totality of its arrears loans to the IMF, equivalent to 1.6 billion euros. Greece is therefore no longer in the arrears to the International Monetary Fund. Quote, as we have said, the fund stands ready to commit assisting Greece in its efforts to return to financial stability and growth." Of course, the people in Greece are extremely concerned about whether or not the value of their bank accounts. They're very concerned that the value of the euro may fall and that their value of their money will go down. But of course, if their money goes down, the entire European Union's money goes down, and so that's not going to happen. Oh, I mean, it could be 1 or 2%. But now that this new deal has been bridged, the problem's going to be Greece going forward long term, because they have some very severe austerity measures they have to go through, including the raising of the retirement age considerably, the drastic cutting of the pensions that the Greek people get after retirement will fall drastically. There will be no more student loans or free Pell Grants or free education. A lot of their entitlement programs, like their welfare type programs and food stamp programs, slash drastically, and there's going to be a major increase in the sales tax. It's going to go up to about 35%. I mean, we have what, 8% sales tax in most of our states here in America? 35% sales tax, of which 23 cents on the dollar will go to the IMF to repay the loan on Greece's devastating debt. And the other 12% will go to the Greek government to help them manage their fledgling government. So it's a long haul. It's a 50-year plan. An entire generation of people will be really left in the dust. Their unemployment is 26% right now in Greece, of which 51% are the younger generation between the ages of 18 and 28. So that generation is lost. That generation right now, they're lost. They can't get a job, they can't get an education, and they have to work. Whenever they do make money, a big chunk of it goes to pay back on the debt of their forefathers. Are you saved? Give your life to Jesus Christ. We haven't heard the last of Greece. There will be revolts and rioting at some point down the road when all these austerity measures get kicked into place. Don't miss today's live broadcast, 12 noon Eastern, on the coming apocalypse. We'll cover this and a whole lot of other stories. So don't miss it. 12 noon Eastern at my website, www.paulbegleyprophecy.com. The black horseman of the apocalypse is saddled up and ready to ride.